Troll tutorial. How to go to the next city by train hopping. Step 1. Enter a rail yard near you. Make sure there's no workers around so you don't get caught trespassing. Step 2. Find a manifest freight train that already has all of the cars set. Step 3. Sneak around the train and look for a perfect rail car to ride on.
Looks like I'll ride the gondola car. It's perfect to stay hidden.
Step 4. Climb up a gondola car and get inside it.
Wow, it's perfect for space too.
Step 5. The train is starting to depart.
Yes, the train is moving. Time to start the fun travel.
Step 6. Watch the cityscapes as you're moving.
Step 7. See a commuter train ahead. Duck down so the passengers don't see you.
Step 8. You have been traveling on the train for a while, passing a lot of small towns, mountains, and big empty places. The sun is about to go down and you still haven't reached your destination. You're starting to lose track as you're getting sleepy.
Ow, what the?
Step 10. Fall back after getting bit as the pain got you good. Step 11. Start falling asleep. Step 12. Wake up to the loud noise of a train going into a complete stop. Step 13. Look up and see a few tall buildings in the distance. Step 14. Your body is extremely sore. You feel the awful tightening pain through your muscles every time you move.
The blood flame keeps bleeding going right through your whole body. You are unconscious for a short time. Hear the voices in your head. Feel the pain turning into fire. Yes, I can feel the power in the open in my body. I realize that this is coming from the clear what left me active to choose my way. This is a success. Step 18. Wake up with your new form.
Step 19. Walk over to the buildings and realize that this isn't a city, but a factory. Step 20. Perhaps you can get powerful by consuming the chemicals in this facility. Find a container building that has the chemicals inside.
But yeah, not sure why they're making a different loading schedule for tomorrow.
Step 21. Burst out of the building after consuming the chemicals.
You are also not that you see your way with this new power you broadcast to your about for us passing. Step 23. Don't give you to look for more chemicals to consume for more power.
Step 24. You've collected more chemicals, and you are powerful than ever. Step 25. Leave the facility abandoned with everyone cooked. Go back to the freight train you were riding on earlier. Step 26. The train is gone. It probably left while you were on your rampage for chemicals. Step 27. See another freight train pulling into the siding. Step 28. Hop on this train and start your next devious journey.
Step 29. Travel on your way to the city you were trying to get to. Just 26, 2038, the freight train hopper incident.